First, we select the scan parameters and start scanning the relevant parts. In this case, our customer needed to scan the front loader mounting frame to be able to determine the position of the attachment points, or mounting points. These points were previously used as a reference to design the attachments. The bucket has been scanned in detail as well, and the data has been used to design a new bucket tooth. We start by importing the 3D scan data of the tractor into Peel.CAD Pro, where all reverse engineering and inspection operations will take place. This Peel.CAD Pro software is designed to efficiently handle large meshes generated from real-world agricultural equipment. The first step is mesh cleaning. Here, we remove unwanted elements such as noise, overlapping artifacts, and unnecessary geometry captured during the scanning process. A clean mesh is essential to ensure accurate alignment, surface extraction, and downstream CAD operations. At this stage, we align two different mesh datasets using a best fit alignment. Once inside the alignment tool, we define which mesh will remain fixed. A minimum of 3 common reference points between the two meshes are required to achieve a reliable initial alignment before the software refines it automatically. This approach is ideal for large agricultural components where full overlap and which mesh will be moved to match the reference mesh. In this case, we start with a manual pre-alignment using point pairs. It is not always available. With both meshes properly aligned, we proceed to merge them into a single mesh. Using the merge function, Peel.CAD Pro combines the two datasets into one unified and continuous STL. This step simplifies data management and creates a more complete digital representation of the tractor. The new STL file is automatically created in the project tree. To keep the workflow organized, especially in complex projects, we rename this mesh to clearly identify it as the final merged model. Now we extract geometric reference entities directly from the mesh, such as planes, circles, cylinders, and cross-sectional profiles. These references are essential for reverse engineering, allowing us to capture functional geometry from real-world parts. Circles and cylinders can be used as mounting points or interfaces for designing new components. Planes and the mesh itself serve as references to verify clearances and ensure that newly designed parts do not interfere with the tractor structure. This step is especially valuable in agricultural applications where custom parts and modifications are common. Finally, we transfer both the mesh and the extracted geometric references directly into SolidWorks. This seamless workflow enables engineers to quickly move from scanned data to parametric CAD design, accelerating the development of replacement parts, custom attachments, and design modifications for agricultural machinery. Peel.3D scanners combined with Peel.CAD Pro provide a powerful and accessible solution for reverse engineering large agricultural equipment, reducing downtime, improving accuracy, and enabling faster innovation.